Welcome to Startus Insights. Today, we're exploring how cutting-edge technology is transforming logistics. From autonomous trucks moving goods between warehouses to drones delivering critical supplies and robots handling complex factory tasks. We'll spotlight 3 startups leading this revolution: Gatik from the United States, Wingcopter from Germany, and Rapid Robotics from the United States. Let's see how each is innovating the future of logistics. First, Gatik from the United States. Gatik is pioneering autonomous middle-mile logistics with its proprietary Level 4 technology, Gatik Carrier. This custom-built system safely and efficiently transports freight between distribution centers and retail locations, all without a human driver on board. Gatik's fleet of Class 3 to 7 trucks operates on fixed, repeatable routes, making short-haul B2B deliveries faster, safer, and more cost-effective. Their advanced autonomy stack integrates perception, planning, and control systems to navigate both highways and urban environments with minimal intervention. Already trusted by major retailers, Gatik is setting new standards for driverless logistics, proving that automation can deliver value at scale. Next, Wingcopter from Germany. Wingcopter is redefining last-mile delivery with its advanced eVTOL drones. The Wingcopter 198 uses a patented tilt-rotor system for vertical takeoff and fast, fixed-wing flight, even in harsh weather. This drone is built for safety and reliability, with redundant flight controls and a fail-safe powertrain. It can deliver up to 3 separate packages to different locations in a single flight, all while maintaining precise temperature control for sensitive cargo like medical supplies. No extra infrastructure is needed for takeoff or landing, and a single operator can manage up to 10 drones simultaneously. Wingcopter's technology is enabling faster, more efficient, and more sustainable delivery networks around the world. Now, before we move on, don't miss out. We've created the most comprehensive guide to logistics technology, covering the latest innovations, real-world use cases, and expert insights. This guide is powered by data from the Startus Insights Discovery Platform, the world's largest innovation intelligence tool, tracking over 7 million startups and 20,000 technologies in real time. From autonomous vehicles and drones to AI-powered robotics, the guide covers it all. It's precise, actionable, and it's completely free. For the full free article, check the link in the description below. Finally, Rapid Robotics from the United States. Rapid Robotics is changing the game for warehouse and factory automation with its Rapid Machine Operator, or RMO. The RMO is designed for speed, repeatability, and 100% accuracy, handling tasks like packing, palletizing, and kitting with ease. Its proprietary Rapid ID system uses generative AI and 3D vision to instantly recognize new objects and autonomously learn pick-and-place tasks in under 2 minutes. What sets Rapid Robotics apart is its smart setup technology. Anyone can move an RMO to a new job in less than 60 seconds. No coding or robotics expertise needed. Just select the task, scan the workspace, and let the robots built in. AI do the rest. RMOs thrive in high-mix environments, adapt quickly to new tasks, and require minimal maintenance, making automation accessible to any business. To sum up, Gatik from the United States is leading the way in autonomous middle-mile logistics. Wingcopter from Germany is advancing last-mile delivery with innovative eVTOL drones. Rapid Robotics from the United States is making advanced robotics accessible and easy to use. These startups are at the heart of the logistics revolution, driving efficiency, safety, and innovation across the supply chain. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Thanks for watching.